Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to change this navigation bar with the buttons into the gestures. So firstly, let's have a quick reminder. This button is responsible for getting back to the previous page, this one will transfer us to the home page, and this one will open the recents. So after that we can actually enter the settings in order to change this navigation bar, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's scroll down and tap on navigation bar right here, and as you can see here we've got two different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got buttons applied. What's more, you can customize them. You can customize actually the position of the buttons. You can swipe the back button and the recent button, and under it we've got also swipe gestures. So let's tap on it in order to apply it, and as you can see the navigation bar immediately disappears. What's more, we can tap on more options, and as you can see here we've got actually two different options of the look of the gestures. So here we will have only one button, one area which we can choose, which we can use. And here by tapping on the swipe from bottom, as you can see here we will have three different areas, and all of them will be responsible for something another. So by swiping here we will be able to get back here to go to the home page, and here to open the recents. But let me leave this option turned on. What's more, here you can set the gesture sensitivity, so of course it's up to you which option will be more comfortable for you. I will leave it like this, and now we can go back, and here you can also decide and actually customize the gesture hints. So your device will show where to swipe up for navigation gestures. You can also swipe left or right across the hints to switch between apps, and you can also show button to hide keyboard. The button is only available in portrait mode. So obviously you can turn on or off both options. You can leave them turned on. It's really up to you how you want to set it. So right now let me show you how the swipe gestures will actually work. I know that here you've got the let's say the preview of it, the animation of it, but I will still show you. So in order to get back we have to swipe from the edge to the middle, and it doesn't really matter if from the left or from the right, it will have the same effect. In order to get back to the home page you have to swipe up quickly, and in order to open the recents you have to swipe very gently and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see we've got the recents. So well, actually that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.